Good morning!
Who's that?
This is a vlog.
Who's that?
Me. I just had my breakfast and my husband is going to eat his breakfast soon. He's still making a coffee for himself. And he also made one for me. Today is Sunday and I will be doing some work. Not in the restaurant, but my other work. So, sinubukan lang natin mag-vlog ng ganito, no? Diba? Ating walang kwentang vlog. So, kamusta naman kayo dyan lahat? Coffee. Peklat ko sa pagluluto. Ang dami ko ng peklat sa pagluluto. Hello sa aking dalawang followers. Meron akong dalawang followers. Meron tayong dalawang subscribers. Marco, say hello to our 2 subscribers.
2.
Yeah, 2.
2 left.
2 left. The rest ran away when we started vlogging. I'm using my phone. It's not easy to use a phone for vlogging. I don't know where to hold. What is that for coffee? Lavazza. Is it? It's still Lavazza, right?
Yeah, avocadoro. Yeah. This is 1 kilo. Open up, but you have to save coffee dark and as vacuum as possible.
Yeah.
That's why we have a special can here to have half of the coffee of the pack. And this one is particularly vacuum.
Yeah. Smells good.
Yeah, and the coffee remains good.
Oh, by the way, I harvested the last apples from the tree. Last apples. They're actually nice. Let me show you. I'm very proud. Look! I have 3 calamansi. And no more. I hope there will be more. Maybe I need to put more vitamins. We transplanted this yesterday. The ficus, and it looks better. Let me see if I can still find the before it was transplanted, how it looks like. So now it's like this. It looks better. It looks nicer.